Hi friends, today you can see that I have a Redmi Earbuds with me. So these are one of the cheapest Bluetooth earbud available from Redmi. So I ordered it in the Amazon sale, the Amazon Prime sale, which is happened on 6th and 7th of August. So the price mentioned here, you can see that it is 2399, but the regular price it is 1800, and on the sale it was available for 1600. So it came in the pretty simple packaging, and I have the bill. So you can see that I have the bill. So now let's go and unbox it. So see what we have in the content in the box, and you can see that here we have the MI the seal, which you can scratch and check for the code on the on the MI website whether this is a authenticate product or not, because now what is happening, there are too many copies available in the Indian market. So that will be a very pretty good, like you can see that security option given by MI. So now let's unbox it. You can see that on the top we have the box itself in a plastic packaging. Let me keep it aside, and digging further we have some, I guess we have some further documentation. So let me cut it from the bottom side also. Yeah, we have something else also. So I think, if I am not wrong, these will be the earbuds which are available, apart from the one which are on the, okay, these are ear tips. So again, small and large size is provided as per your ear size. Going further, we don't get any cable for charging, and these are some documentation, the user manual guide. So you can see that the box is pretty much empty now, we have nothing. So let me keep it aside and show you the actual thing. So let me remove it. So you have the option just like that. You can see that we have the branding on the top, Redmi branding on the top. Let me focus for you. And on the bottom side you have some, what we call it, the details about that 5 watt 500 mAh 50 mAh 5 watt, the details about the battery. And here we have the charging port, it's a micro USB charging port. So let me open it for the first time. You can see that we also have some packaging. So, what I am feeling, the magnet is pretty good. It's not even, it's holding pretty good. So you have this plastic on the tip to use it for the first time. You need to remove it. Let me just remove it so that it can contact with the charging tip. Same for the second one. So you can see that now these are the charging tip, and whenever you are going to put it, it will contact with these pins. So just like that, we have just like that. So you can see that after removing those plastic, both the earphones start charging, and I don't see any other charging indicator on the box. So these are the simple unboxing, guys. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use it for quite some time, and will share you my updates with you, how the sound it like and what is the battery status. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. This is TechBSD signing off.